Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature one of the hottest hair trends all over TikTok, and that is the boho style braids. So if you guys have not heard about this trend, you are not alone, because I just found out about it like 2 days ago. And I was like, what? Boho style braids? Okay, so this is basically a look that you can do on your own hair. So it's a great hairstyle for protecting your hair. Probably would last about a good week or two, depending on the upkeep of the braids. And there's so many different ways that you can actually do this trend. And if you don't feel like your hair is long enough, you can actually add in some hair extensions as well, because girls are doing it with their own hair and they are also using hair extensions to do it as well. It's basically a style that is great for just trying something different, something new, and it is really hitting the Black TikTok community and taking it by storm. So if you have heard of this trend, or if this is something that you want to replicate and do, leave in the comments below what you think of it and check it out for yourself. Enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully these hair tutorials will help you kind of recreate the look yourself if you want to do it at home. But you can, of course, go to a stylist to get it done as well. Leave me your thoughts. Enjoy the rest of the video. Watch to the end. Be sure to give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.